new suppliers, new products, new ideas.
I like to come here and see inspiration.
Yeah, we always came a few days early. We always came here first. Usually the booth over here, it's much bigger and much nicer.
Really good. It's easy to navigate.
They always present fresh ideas and new trends.
There is always something that is an obvious new trend.
Supplies have been consolidated and given a specific zone and an area.
We've worked with a lot of people here from before.
We never had any quality issues with Jinhan suppliers.
The most important way to release our new design and get order is still JINHAN FAIR.
有更好的产品，讲更好的故事给到我们的客户。
这个展会给人感受更好、更亲切。
客户的目的性比较强，
在其他的有很多高质量客户。